I will say the shohada and I request you to repeat it. Okay? So Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Yep. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Allama salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad wa ashhadu anna aliyan waliyullah wa wasiyyu rasulillah wa khalifatuhu bila fasl. Allama salli ala Muhammad. Congratulations reciting your shahada, which means that what just you have recited in Arabic. English translation is that Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We start with the name of God, the most beneficial, the most merciful, and Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, and I bear witness that there is no God except Allah, and I bear witness that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, is the last prophet of God, and oh my Lord, send your mercies to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his holy progeny, and I bear witness that Ali is a true successor of Prophet Muhammad. Bila fasl means there is no gap between him and Ali, and Ali is Waliullah. Basically, he has an authority from Allah Azza wa Jal, as like Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So congratulations, you become Muslima, and if you have selected your name already, then it's fine, and if you haven't selected yet, so I request you to select any Muslim name if you want. Anything, not necessarily now, later on, whatever you want. So basically tonight we are celebrating the birth of Bibi Fatima Ma'suma. So there was a lady, she is buried in the city of Qom in Iran. So in the Imams, the leaders, our 8th Imam is Ali Raza alayhi salam. His sister was Ma'suma, and she was a very piously, we do barat from this because he killed Imam Hussain alayhi salam. Imam Hussain, who was the grandson of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in Karbala. So these are the 10 branches. So there are 5 roots and 10 branches. It's not necessary to go to find out every bit and pieces and detail of everything. Inshallah, you will find out later on, step by step, what are the details of Imamat, what are the details of Day of Judgment, what are the details. So,
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.